Introducing our high-performance lighting solution designed to take your off-road adventures to the next level. The 20-inch 126U spot flood combo LED light bar paired with 4 of 4-inch 18-spot LED pods. Fog light pods fog lights. Whether you're driving a Jeep Wrangler, a boat, a truck, a tractor, or a trailer, this lighting package is your ultimate companion for conquering the toughest terrains. The 20-inch light bar boasts an impressive 126U of power, equipped with 42 high-intensity LEDs that deliver an unbeatable spot flood combo beam. This ensures exceptional visibility, lighting up the darkest trails with a dazzling 6,500 pure white color temperature. With a lumen output of 12 6-ohm, you can trust that this lighting setup will guide your way, no matter the conditions. Constructed from high-quality materials, including a 6063 aluminum profile and top-notch LED chips, these lights are built to last. Their PC lenses are not only robust, but also enhance light transmission for maximum efficiency. Plus, they're designed to withstand the harshest environments, thanks to their waterproof, dustproof, quake-proof, and anti-corrosive features. Wide voltage compatibility. With an input voltage range of 930 VC, these lights are compatible with both 12 and 24 vehicles, making them versatile for various applications. Featuring a working lifespan of over 30,000 hours, these lights are engineered for durability and longevity. They can handle extreme temperatures, from a bone-chilling 40 degrees Celsius to a scorching 85 degrees Celsius without missing a beat. 4-inch. Whether you're navigating treacherous trails, illuminating your work site, or enhancing the aesthetics of your vehicle, this lighting package offers the perfect blend of performance, durability, and style. Elevate your off-road experience with the 20-inch 126U spot flood combo LED light bar and Forbes 4-inch 18U spot LED pods. Fog lights. Illuminate your path, conquer the darkness, and do it with style and confidence. Upgrade your lighting today